Stop publishing flat PDFs. Real 3D page turns. Adapts to every device. Search across every page. Native in 194 languages, including right to left. Whether you publish a quarterly magazine, a corporate report, or a multilingual catalog, your readers stay longer when documents feel like documents. Built for every reader, verified accessible, ready for every audience. See it running on your kind of content. Every ungated PDF is a missed lead. Capture leads inside the Flipbook. Run 6 different ad slots. Sell premium PDFs through your existing checkout. Every reader is a measurable signal. Engagement, downloads, leads, revenue, straight from your WordPress dashboard. Deep links land readers on the exact page you're paid to promote. And the SEO add-on makes each Flipbook indexable, shareable, and search visible. Turn every PDF into a measurable channel. Sell PDFs the way you sell products. Gate premium content behind your existing WooCommerce checkout. Every buyer gets a premium, realistic 3D flipbook with an optional way to download. One checkout, one library. Your catalogs, your lookbooks, your premium content, sold and protected together. Personalized stamps deter piracy, while engagement data tells you what's working. Sell smarter. Spent months making your PDF, and someone's already leaked it on Telegram. Not anymore. Meet TNC FlipBook 3D. Block right-click, copy, and download. Stamp every page with the reader's name. Try to inspect the code? Content disappears. Gate it behind a password. Hide the file URL. 7 layers of protection, 1 WordPress plugin. Protect your PDF today. Your clients keep asking for flipbooks. Drop a block. Drop a widget. Or migrate every existing flipbook from Dear Flip, Real 3D, Interactive 3D, or Classic in one click. 60+ developer hooks for the custom work. 9 page builder integrations, deep linking, SEO per flipbook, and accessibility audited every release. Ship what your client asked for without rebuilding the wheel. Built for builders.
Press play. Listen. A short demo of how your PDFs come alive with natural cloud voices.
Make every textbook read itself. Read aloud in cloud voices. Take notes. Bookmark. Sync across every device. Embed videos and vocabulary right in the page. And verified accessible to every learner who needs it. Reach learners who read by listening. Learners who think in another language, and learners using assistive technology. One plugin, 194 languages. Built into every textbook you publish. Built for every learner. Live demo at tncflipbook.com.